This is how you make Grandma Lulu's special chocolate chip cookies. To get started, clear off enough counter space to work on. You'll need a cookie sheet, a sifter, a large mixing bowl, a smaller mixing bowl, a large measuring cup, a set of smaller measuring cups, a spatula, a spoon for mixing, measuring spoons like a teaspoon and a tablespoon and those things, a fork, and a regular tablespoon. Let's go over the ingredients. First thing that you will need is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then you will need 2 cups of instant oatmeal. Regular oatmeal is fine too. Then you'll need 1 3/4 cups of flour. Next, 3/4 cup of regular white granulated sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, followed by 3/4 cup of brown sugar, the 3/4 smushed down. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of your finest vanilla, 1 cup of margarine, 2 sticks usually equals 1 cup, and finally, 2 large eggs. There are a few other supplies you may need too. You will need some cling wrap, non-stick cooking spray, and some sealable bags. Let's make the cookie dough. We can start by gathering our large mixing bowl, a large measuring cup, a large mixing spoon, a regular spoon, the brown sugar, the regular sugar, and the margarine. Now, let's smush and measure 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Pour a small amount of brown sugar into the large measuring cup. Then, take your regular spoon, or something similar, and smush the brown sugar down so that it is level with the 3/4 of a cup line. Now, dump the brown sugar into the large mixing bowl. Measure 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and then add it to the large mixing bowl. Then, put 2 sticks, or 1 cup, of margarine into the large mixing bowl along with the sugars. Finally, we need to mix the white sugar, the brown sugar, and the sticks of margarine so that they are fully incorporated. You will know you have finished mixing the ingredients when the dough separates from the side of the mixing bowl and you have a pastish substance that is gritty, but it won't contain any streaks or clumps of a particular ingredient.
Where can I find the city of shining light in an ordinary world? How can I leave a buried treasure behind in an ordinary world? The days into years roll by. It's where that I live until I die. Ordinary world. What would you wish if you saw a shooting star in an ordinary world? I'd walk to the end of the earth and afar in an ordinary world. Baby, I don't have much, but what we have is more than enough. Ordinary world.